What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. We have a lot of things planned for the car. I'm actually going to be going to WR Experts this weekend to do some stuff to the car, so you're not going to want to miss out. Hit that subscribe button. So today's video is going to be the top 5 things I love about my Subaru WRX STI. Now, before we get started, I did a video on 5 things I hate about the STI, and I'll leave a link for that right up here in case you missed it. So, number 1 on the list is the iconic Subaru STI spoiler. Now, besides how aggressive it makes the car look, it does have a benefit. Above 85 miles an hour, it creates a downforce that gives you better handling, really pushes the rear of the car down so you get some better grip on the rear end. And then the spoiler also has one more benefit. You can have a little date on it. Number 2 on the list is that iconic Subaru rumble. Now on my car, I do have the Invidia divorced Catless downpipe, and I have the Invidia R400 exhaust, so it is gonna sound a lot louder than stock, but still, just that unique rumble really makes the car sound good. Number 3 on the list is how aggressive the car looks from the front. I really like the hood scoop and the headlights. I'm really gonna like it a lot more once I get that front mount intercooler. I feel like it's gonna make it a lot more aggressive. But I just love how clean it looks from the front, and I'm excited to see what the 2021s are gonna look like. Now, number 4 on the list would have to be the all-wheel drive. The handling on this car just feels so amazing. It gives you that extra confidence on the road, even when it's raining out. Not that I go fast while it's raining, but I just have that extra sense of security knowing that my car is going to be able to handle the weather that's thrown at it. And while test driving the car, that's really one thing that sold me on it. Also, the launching on this car is amazing. There's no wheel spin. You literally just get put back in your seat and you just go. I do want to do a video soon on some launching using the Accessport to record my 0 to 60 and quarter mile. So once again, if you haven't subscribed, make sure to do so. Also, part of the whole handling thing, you have your center diff controls here. Even the SI, Sport, and Sport Sharp modes, I mean, those are just great to have if you're just trying to cruise, save some gas, or if you're in the mood to just floor it. Now, number 5 on the list is one of the main reasons I bought this car. The gas cap. I'm just kidding. Number 5 I would say is the Subaru Community. I've met a lot of cool people going to the car meets and just seeing how passionate everyone is about their Subarus. It's also cool that it's kind of a unique car. You don't see many of them out on the road. That's why we kind of give each other that little Subi wave, which a lot of people make fun of us for, but I don't care. It's cool seeing another Subaru owner because there's a lot of other sports cars that you just see everywhere. Like, you can go to Publix and there's pretty much a car show of those cars in the parking lot. But overall, I really love the car. I don't plan on selling it ever. It's one of those cars I want to keep forever. I feel like manual cars are just gonna be going extinct soon, so I definitely want to keep this forever. I know I got a lot of hate on the 5 things I hate about the car, and that was really just 5 things. If I had to say I hated something, it's pretty much what I was complaining about. But overall, I love the car, and I'm going to keep it forever. So yeah, guys, just wanted to make a quick video on the top 5 things I love about my car. And once again, we do have some plans at WR Experts for this car, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, give them a follow on Instagram at WR Experts Autoworks. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and see you guys on the next one. Thanks. Top 5 things I love about my Subaru.
Yeah, I don't know if you should go that way. You should have went belly first. You should go the way I came.
I've never done this. I'm scared.
I don't remember how I got up last time.
Guys, just give me a like for doing this.
If you break your spoiler, I wouldn't mind. That means you don't have to have one no more. Well, I'm gonna need it.
I don't know if these hand marks are a good look. I'm probably gonna have to clean that off right now.